If you're new to the world of remote-controlled cars, Arrma offers some of the best options for beginners. Renowned for its durability and user-friendly design, Arrma provides an ideal starting point for newcomers eager to explore this thrilling hobby. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Arrma RC cars for beginners you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which toys and games topic you'd like to see in our next videos. The Arrma Vortex 4x4 3S BLX is a high-performance RC stadium truck designed for both speed and durability, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Equipped with a powerful 3200 kV brushless motor, it can reach speeds over 60 miles per hour with a 3S LiPo battery and optional pinion gear. The robust 4x4 platform allows for high-speed bashing on various surfaces, from off-road to asphalt. Its strong composite chassis, oil-filled shocks, and metal-geared differentials ensure it can withstand rough terrains. High-traction D-boots, Qatar tires, and rugged bumpers further enhance its performance. The sleek stadium truck body includes protective roof skids and an injection-molded wing. Advanced Spectrum electronics, including the DX3 DSMR 2.4 GHz radio system, SR6200A receiver, and Firma 100A ESC, provide AVC and smart technology for precise control and real-time telemetry data via the optional Spectrum dashboard app. The modular design allows for easy maintenance with accessible power, electronics, and differential modules. The Vortex also features adjustable ride height, a wheelie bar, and multi-terrain tires mounted on tough nylon wheels. The Arrma Granite 3S BLX monster truck, an excellent choice for beginners, combines jaw-dropping power with a user-friendly design. This ready-to-run RC truck boasts speeds over 50 miles per hour, thanks to its brushless Firma motor. The truck's robust chassis, improved steering clearance, and durable transmission components make it tough enough for any terrain. Equipped with a Spectrum SLT3 radio, the Granite 3S BLX offers reliable control. Its high-performance electronics include a waterproof BLX 100 ESC and a powerful 3200 kV brushless motor. The 3-channel transmitter and digital metal-geared servo enhance its responsiveness. Constructed from tough composite materials, steel, and precision aluminum, the Granite 3S BLX is designed for durability and impact resistance. It features high-performance D-Boots Fortress MT tires for consistent handling across various surfaces. The truck's striking body shell and exciting trim scheme add to its appeal. With dimensions of 18.74 inch in length, 8.11 inch in height, and 13.46 inch in width, and weighing 6.23 pounds without the battery, this truck is a solid performer. You'll need a 2S or 3S LiPo battery, a compatible charger, and 4 AA batteries to complete your setup. The Arrma Big Rock 3S BLX is a top choice for beginners in the RC car world, offering a blend of durability, speed, and ease of use. Powered by the Spectrum Firma 3200 kV brushless motor and BLX 100 ESC, it achieves speeds over 50 miles per hour. The robust 1/10 scale monster truck features a stronger chassis, improved steering clearance, and a sliding gear mesh for enhanced performance. Its RTR design means it's fully assembled, and it only needs batteries and a charger to hit the road. Key upgrades include a castellated slipper pad, longer suspension arms, and rubber-shielded bearings. The modular design ensures easy maintenance with components like the power module and electronics module accessible via minimal screws. The full-time 4WD transmission, equipped with strong telescopic drive shafts, provides reliable and responsive steering. The truck's self-bleeding oil-filled shocks, now with silicone O-rings, offer excellent handling and durability. Its sleek crew cab body and D-Boots Ragnarok MT tires make it suitable for various terrains, from dirt tracks to muddy courses. An adjustable wheelie bar adds an extra layer of fun, making the Arrma Big Rock 3S BLX a perfect blend of style, power, and practicality for RC enthusiasts. The Arrma Senton 4x4 3S BLX short course truck offers extreme toughness and impressive speeds over 50 miles per hour, making it ideal for beginners. This RC truck is built from durable materials including tough molded composite, robust steel, and precision-manufactured aluminum. The high-quality 3S-capable Arrma BLX 100 waterproof ESC and a 3200 kV brushless motor ensure powerful and efficient performance. The high-torque Spectrum S651 metal gear steering servo provides precise control, while the Spectrum SLT3 2.4 GHz transmitter and SLR300 receiver ensure reliable communication. The truck features high-performance D-Boots Fortress SC tires mounted on gunmetal SC wheels, delivering consistent handling on various surfaces. The heavy-duty transmission includes an aluminum sliding mesh motor plate, triple-pad slipper clutch, and rubber-shielded bearings for enhanced durability. This RTR package includes the Arrma Senton 4x4 3S BLX truck, BLX 100 2S 3S waterproof ESC, Spectrum Firma 3660 3200 kV brushless motor, Spectrum 2.4 GHz SLT3 transmitter, Spectrum SLR300 receiver, and Spectrum SP MS651 waterproof metal geared digital servo. To get started, you'll need a 2S or 3S LiPo battery, compatible charger, and 4 AA batteries. Designed for speed and toughness, the Arrma Senton 4x4 3S BLX guarantees thrilling RC action across all terrains. The Arrma Typhon 3S BLX, a top choice for beginners, is a powerful 1/8 scale speed buggy capable of reaching over 50 miles per hour. Its Spectrum SLT3 radio, Firma brushless motor, reinforced chassis, and upgraded steering servo make it more impressive than ever. The Typhon is ready to handle any terrain, thanks to its precision aluminum, steel, and composite build, along with a high downforce wing and low center of gravity. This RC car includes a Spectrum SLT3 transmitter, designed for comfort and precision with a foam wheel and improved grip. New users can set throttle limits at 50% or 75% until they are ready for full speed. The SLT3 is compatible with Tactic SLT receivers and includes a third channel for additional features. The brushless system with BLX 100 ESC and Spectrum Firma 3200 kV motor delivers outstanding torque and speed, while the rugged transmission and chassis ensure durability. Arrma's modular design simplifies maintenance with easy access to the motor, slipper clutch, and differentials. The waterproof receiver box, servo mount, and ESC tray are housed in a two-piece molding for protection and quick access. The differential module features a unique yoke design for easy removal and access, ensuring reliable performance during extreme bashing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.